It's Gwen Foxon. I'm thrilled that you're here, and I thought, I think today I'm just going to start a painting, and we're just going to see how it goes. And I'm going to use a color that I do not like. I'm going to use pink. As those that have studied with me know that I don't use pink. I don't care for pink, and I'm going to do a whole painting in pink. At least that's how it's going to start out. So let's get started, and I have no idea of how this is going to work, but I think it'll be fun to do. So I've got a 36 by 48 canvas, and I've got a graphite pencil here that I'm going to do the drawing on. And what's the drawing going to be? I have no idea. I just think that it's going to be something like a floral. Just because I bought some peonies the other day, and I kind of into peonies. I love peonies. But do I really, I want the main flower to be underneath. So what will be over here? You know what? I don't know. I'll just do some lines and we'll just have that be that. And that's not going to work. But, as we go, I'm going to have shapes because I've got to have shapes. I'm a shape painter and I've got to have shapes. So let's see how this turns out because I have absolutely no idea how I'm going to do this. Anyway, here we go. I have started this by just picking up colors that I would just want to show the outline of this. But first, let me clarify something. I had just wrestled with my little dog, and I was totally unaware of the fact that my hair is crazy in the back. But that's life. That's what happens. And so we're just going to keep going. I just wanted you to know I was aware of it, but only after the video was taken. Anyway, this is taking you through the process. I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. You can easily see what I'm doing. You can leave comments below to ask maybe colors or why I'm using this brush or, people are usually surprised that I'm using a bigger brush. For some reason, I've fallen in love with this brush, and I'm very comfortable with it. So that answers one of the questions I know is going to be asked. But I'm just going to let you watch, and as I say, put your comments in the comment section and your questions, and I will answer them. Well, the painting isn't done, but you're getting an idea. It will be well finished in the next video, so you will be able to see that. So I will see you then. As I said before, let me know what you think. And this is before the final touches are put on, and the final touches are so important. So that way you'll learn what they are and how to do them. So I will see you in the next video. Enjoy. I love you.